Meet Mark Lanner and Zawi Hawass pyramid fanboys who spent decades chasing the return of the mummy. Munehisa Homa invented the Japanese candlesticks. Now meet Charles, who discovered that a candlestick chart is like your elegance apartment building.
Yep.
Imagine if it has 6 floors.
Fire, baby.
The lift is out of order, and you, in a hurry, you forgot your phone. And now you have to climb 6 floors and 100 stairs. We all know that the floors and stairs are different. With this in mind, bring that mindset to a candlestick chart and now focus. Think colors. Think candlesticks. Think like a child. If the color is still red, that is 1 floor.
1.
Next floor is the green color.
Green.
Easy.
2.
Candlesticks will only change on the next color.
Huh?
Now meet the so-called Forex guru, who doesn't even understand that the smart money needs your money. How are they smart if they teach you the correct way to trade? If you want to learn more about candlesticks, like and subscribe.